Hi guys, today it's time to me uh, packs the headstock. So the headstock, this one I use for mailing machine. So right now I do this pipe here, and I use two bearing. So this bearing inside, it's only uh, 35 millimeters, and this one it's a 40 millimeters. So the ring here it's big, then so I use um, 72 millimeters, and this one is 80 millimeters. So I use this, and then I keep this one for the headstock, but on the top one, for this one the bottom one. That's one this I do here. So, and the problem for me, so now I never found in my city, so I need the college chalk. I never found here, but I hope maybe I can found other place, or I can looking by online. But is if I didn't find like that, this is a problem. But I'm not sure how can I get it, because I never buy something online, Amazon, or but I'm not sure they can send to my city or not. So I will check it. But if I have noticed, maybe I have a problem my headstock. How to I processing my work right here. So let me try to pack this in here. This pulley here, I got two, but I need two, but maybe I need other one. need other one. So I need more, so I need to make the box to keep the headstock right here. So I will go to the next video I can do soon. This one I just show you how to make my uh, headstock, and also this one I can keep this to use for the collect chalk, but I'm not sure looking collect chalk yet. I will looking more and more if I can